How to enable disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. In order to make disappearing messages, make sure that your application is updated. Let's head over to our Play Store and search for Messenger. Once done, if you see Update instead of Open, tap on Update and update your app. Once you're done updating your app, open it. Get logged into your Facebook Messenger account. Here at this page, tap onto the chats that you would like to have disappearing messages with. Then tap on the eye icon on your right-hand side. Now, as you know that Facebook is changing its privacy and policy time and again. So if you cannot see disappearing messages option under More Action or Privacy and Support, just know that that feature has been updated. However, you can tap on Go to Secret Conversation, and this chat is also end-to-end encrypted, meaning that you and the person you are chatting with only has access to this chat, and no other people will be able to access this, not even Facebook Messenger. So if in the future Facebook updates us with the disappearing messages feature again, we will surely make a video on that. However, for today, we only have the secret conversation option as a substitute for disappearing messages. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.